Hi friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I took some free wood that I got from Facebook Marketplace and I built a dollhouse for my girls. Here's how I did it.
Go get her dolls. You me on Mommy's and Daddy's. This bag needs to go in the living room. I'm going to go find some more furniture.
Okay, cool. My hero! You guys like it?
Yeah, we love it.
Good.
She wants to go to bed. Well, she's going to sleep on the couch. If somebody wants to sleep here, there's a bed. Somebody wants to sleep here. One goes on top. And I think one wants to go on the bottom. As usual, we go in the bedroom.
You have a dolly in the toilet. Her feet are in the toilet. That's super funny.
Her feet are not in the toilet.
No, looks like it.
No, she has as you want to see the fish. I want to feed the fish, baby. So maybe the fish wants some food. Maybe the fish wants some food.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.